my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly.
Cannot talk.
Talk like you get coronavirus. So many coronavirus everywhere. Do like this one. You better use your hanky. You know, when you go out here and come back home, you wash it off. The soap kills the koro, the pink koro. When you wash it with soap, it dies. Instead of throwing, you know, all of us, we have hankies at home. Don't go and buy the one they are shipping from another country. You know. According to one of the Nigerian movie star, the legendary, you know, Jerry Amino, he narrated his stories, you know, what happened in Netherlands of recent. Too bad. Yeah, I'm done, man. This is one and only one in a million face mask, my hanky and my rubber band. I put it in. Very simple. I took a lot of This is the best. You see, you even have V-neck. I put V-neck there. This is the best. You will save your money. You save you from risking your life. You stay at home and do it. Use your hanky, the cotton hanky one, you know. My Nigerian people, do this so simple. Here. Do this. This is more safe, economical, etc. Stop risking your life by buying the face mask, unless it's face mask that they produce in ABA, United States of Aba, Aswaba. Don't buy anyone that is not made in your own country. Here, face mask, here we go. Bye bye.